My trunk key turns freely, but it doesn't operate the latch. So I climbed in my trunk. This is where the mechanism's disconnected. It looks like it became disconnected because this cracked. Another problem I've seen mentioned is that this tab won't slide behind this finger. They solved that by grinding this round so that this tab would slide behind there, and when you push the button it operates the latch. Another solution I've seen is if you can't climb in your trunk but you can get a long extension in here, you can undo these two bolts and yank the trunk open. This does operate the latch.